Raz OnPoint Locksmith. We're gonna remove the entire ignition and then rekey it and put it back together. So let me show you how it's done. So we start by taking all the plastic apart and then removing the ignition, and then we'll meet at the desk. Now we're gonna take the ignition apart. It's really broken because usually this is a very easy part to pull out, but you see, this is what's going on. That piece is broken and all of the rest are on their way. So we're gonna take it out, clean it out, replace all the pieces. Okay, so now everything works properly. We start the car, see that everything works. Perfect. Raz Kaduri, OnPoint Locksmith. Peace out, guys.